Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to find hidden apps on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Method 1. Use Quick Search. On the home screen, swipe down to open search. Type the name of the app you're looking for. If it appears, simply tap it to open. Method 2. Check the app library. Swipe left all the way to reach the app library. Use the search bar at the top to find the app. If you want it back on your home screen, press and hold the app, then tap Add to Home Screen. Method 3. Check the App Store. Open the App Store and search for the app. If it says Open, the app is already installed. If you see a cloud icon, the app was deleted. Tap Download to reinstall it. Method 4. Check Hidden Home Screen pages. Press and hold an empty area on the home screen until the dots appear at the bottom. Tap the dots and make sure all home screen pages are checked. This will bring back any hidden apps. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.